Why Amazon ECS? Amazon Elastic Container Service, ECS, is a fully managed container orchestration service that helps you to more efficiently deploy, manage, and scale containerized applications. It deeply integrates with the AWS environment to provide an easy-to-use solution for running container workloads in the cloud and on premises with advanced security features using Amazon ECS Anywhere. Benefits of Amazon ECS. Amazon ECS delivers the easiest way to build, deploy, and manage containerized applications at any scale on AWS. 1. Increase speed and agility. Deploy faster and focus on your applications by using Amazon ECS with AWS Fargate serverless compute for containers. 2. Optimize for security and compliance. Build on Amazon ECS with confidence, knowing that the security, compliance, and architecture meet regulatory standards. 3. Reduce costs with pay-as-you-go pricing. Reduce costs with automatic scaling and pay-as-you-go pricing across multiple AWS compute options. 4. Launch containers at scale. Launch containers on AWS at scale without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. How it works. Simply describe your application and the resources required, and Amazon ECS will launch, monitor, and scale your application across flexible compute options with automatic integrations to other supporting AWS services that your application needs. Perform system operations such as creating custom scaling and capacity rules, and observe and query data from application logs and telemetry. Use cases. 1. Modernize applications. Empower developers to build and deploy applications with enhanced security features in a fast, standardized, compliant, and cost-efficient manner with Amazon ECS. 2. Automatically scale web applications. Automatically scale and run web applications in multiple availability zones with the performance, scale, reliability, and availability of AWS. 3. Support batch processing. Plan, schedule, and run batch computing workloads across AWS services, including Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, AWS Fargate, and Amazon EC2 Spot instances. 4. Train NLP and AI/ML models. Train natural language processing, NLP, and other artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML models, without managing the infrastructure by using Amazon ECS with AWS Fargate. Volkswagen Group accelerates 3D data preparation and remote rendering for VR on AWS. Global automotive manufacturer Volkswagen Group, Volkswagen, is building virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR applications to save time, reduce costs, and improve performance for use cases across the product lifecycle, from design reviews and training simulations to remote guidance in the factory. In its efforts to scale AR/VR, Volkswagen needed a faster, simpler, and more efficient way to prepare and deliver 3D content across its organization. The company developed a cloud architecture on which it can accomplish 2 things: automating its 3D data preparation pipelines for faster and simpler optimization of 3D models, and testing the ability to remotely render and stream 3D graphics to AR/VR headsets, moving away from headsets constrained by a tether to expensive workstations. To achieve this, Volkswagen is using Amazon Web Services, AWS, to migrate specific VR rendering and 3D data optimization workloads to the cloud. It's also using a custom application called InnoActive Portal that was developed alongside VR software company InnoActive to deploy and manage VR applications. Using several AWS services, including Amazon Elastic Container Service, Amazon ECS, a fully managed container orchestration service that makes it simple to deploy, manage, and scale containerized applications, Volkswagen is making its 3D data preparation pipeline more efficient and increasing its rendering power and speed in the cloud. Polyverse provides proactive cybersecurity solutions for Linux customers. Today, cyber attacks are more frequent and sophisticated. Events such as the attack on the Colonial Pipeline in May 2021, which cut off nearly half of the U.S. East Coast's fuel supply, have made cybersecurity a top issue for many companies. Polyverse's cloud-native solutions, built on Amazon Web Services, AWS, revolutionize cybersecurity by helping prevent cyber attacks. The company uses a container-based architecture run by Amazon Elastic Container Service, Amazon ECS, a fully managed container orchestration service that helps companies easily deploy, manage, and scale containerized applications. Using Amazon ECS and other AWS services, Polyverse has decreased time to market, cut costs, and empowered staff to focus on innovation. Had it not been for our use of AWS, we would likely only be at half of what we are today, says Chris Hanaoka, head of engineering at Polyverse.